Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took.
Hello?
Why don't you want to talk?
Who's this?
You tell me your name, I'll tell you mine.
I don't think so.
What's that noise? You making popcorn?
Uh-huh.
I only eat popcorn at the movies.
Well, I'll get ready to watch a video.
Really? What?
Just some scary movie.
You like scary movies?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite scary movie?
I don't know.
You have to have a favorite. What comes to mind?
You know the one with the guy with the white mask who stalks babysitters?
Yeah.
What's yours? Good morning, me and more gang. Today is Wednesday. It is currently 12:55 and I'm off today. I got Zari up for school. Y'all, I went right back to sleep. I was tired. I've been real tired lately. I feel like the weekend wore me out with Zari's birthday and the pajama party. I kind of been in a little funky mood, being like kind of blah, where I just be like, yeah, I'm about to head out. I don't really feel like being bothered with nobody. I don't really feel like talking. I really don't have much going on the agenda today. Some stuff I need to do around the house. I need to figure out what day I'm going to do my fall clean and decorate, because I have yet to decorate for fall. And y'all know fall is what top tier for me. You know, I love, I go all out. Not too much, but I love to soak up the moment, the time. I'm about to get up and take me a shower and get myself dressed, and I need to go out and pay a few bills. I need to stop by the store because we didn't get a chance to make the pizza for Zari's slumber party. Y'all make sure y'all go check that video, because that video will be out by the time y'all watch this video. I'm cooking pizza and wings, and I ate out wings again because hot wings was 10 out of 10. Y'all recommend. My hot wings always be good to me. It tastes better than like Pizza Hut or whatever. I'm sorry if I'm being a little bit too chatty, but I just got to get some things off my chest this morning. Not nothing too bad, but I just feel like talking and venting to y'all because I really don't feel like talking to nobody else. These past few days has like kind of showed me like I have had to make some decisions that I really didn't want to do, but I know that I needed to do for myself. And it kind of like, dang, I'm back at square one, but it's okay. I went in, the situation knowing that it was a possibility that something like this could happen. And the situation wasn't even bad, but I feel like I'm at the point in my life where when you recognize stuff and you see things that doesn't align with what you going for, you just go ahead and just cut it off and go ahead and address it. And I'm learning to not beat myself up about it, about the decisions that I make, because you making a decision for you. And I'm very big on, being aware of things, being aware of your surroundings, being aware of red flags, just being aware of certain things. And I will be a hypocrite if I encourage, others to do so, or even if I just talk a big talk and not even take my own, words into action. You'll be tested when you're in the situation, so it's just like, yeah, gotta swallow that pill and, keep it moving from here on out. Just keep some stuff to yourself. Not saying that it's a problem to share certain stuff. I feel like we all need certain people in our life where we can, share stuff with and get some clarification and help you be level-headed about stuff. But I feel like 9 times out of 10 you already know what you need to do, and before you even try to go to other people, at least try to talk to God about it and pray about it and at least wait for him. But sometimes I can be impatient because I feel like sometimes I have already done brought this up to him and I'm not getting the response in the timely manner that I feel like I needed, where I do seek to other people and, you know, get their insight or input on different situations that go on within myself. And the reason why I say that is because when you already know something and you start getting answers or clarification from other people, you start your judgment start to get clouded, and somebody over here telling you this, somebody over here telling you that, and it just kind of have you kind of all over the place. And I know when I share stuff with people, I know their intentions be, you know, genuine. And don't get me wrong, it may be some people intentions that does not be genuine, and that's just a risk that, you know, I'll be taking, you know, once I, you know, open up to people. And I'm saying now that I have opened up to people and there be just ill intent, but I'm just saying that's something that, you know, you got to be aware of, and I have to be aware of, you know, in the near future. But I know everybody's, you know, response and opinions are coming from a good place. You need people in your life that's going to tell you the truth, and sometimes the truth doesn't feel good. Sometimes you don't like the truth, and you don't always need a friend that's going to be like, yes man, be a yes man, always agreeing to what you feel, because sometimes I could be off, or sometimes you could be off, you know. So you need those people in your life that's going to tell you the truth, and they can tell you the truth in a very respectful way, or, you know, not a way to, you know, make you feel bad about the decisions that you make. September came and it lived. Like, I felt like a few months ago, I'm just like, y'all, my girl about to be 16, da 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 da. And child, September is here, my girl 16, and it's already October, y'all. It's gonna be New Year's before we know it. Let me stop talking y'all head off and get up and actually do something. I am about to watch one of my friends' vlogs. Her name is Kelly Cherise. She uploaded a new vlog, so I am about to watch that, and I'm about to finish exporting Zari's birthday vlog. I'll check back in with y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, so I done got my shower and washed my face, moisturizer, and whatever. Just realized that I do need to stop by the pharmacy to pick up Zari's seizure medicine, and I need to stop by the eye doctor to pick up her glasses. I have to be back by at least 3:15 because Zari get off the bus. I need to make sure I'm here when she get off, so I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'll see y'all when I get to the store.
2 days later.
He's just like repulsive or something. He sure is.
Good afternoon, me and more gang. I'm pretty sure the last time I picked up the camera, I was heading out to run some errands. And when I got back, y'all, or when even when I was out, y'all, I just wasn't feeling like vlogging, like I just wasn't feeling it. So y'all, it is 2 days later. Today is Friday. I got up this morning, got Zari straight, so sent her off to school, did a little cleaning, picked her up from school early, came back home, exported some more footage to my phone, and I took a little nap. And now I am getting ready to cook me something to eat because your girl is hungry. But I do got to show y'all something. So if any of y'all struggling to sleep, this cherry tart juice, 100%, it will get you right. And I put it to the test today. So like I said, I put it to the test today, y'all. I came across this tart juice on TikTok a couple months ago. It's been a little minute when I got put onto it. And the girl was saying if y'all having trouble sleeping or have insomnia, get you some cherry tart juice. And they said, because you know, sometimes you can take some melatonin, sleeping pills, but this right here, I feel like this is more like a more healthier option. Don't get me wrong, it do give you gas, or sometimes it do. I had bought this Sunday. I took it Sunday, and I think I took it Monday or Tuesday. Took it twice. And y'all, when I tell you, because they tell you to, you know, pour you 1 cup, you drink it, and probably about the next 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to be feeling sleepy. And I was out. So today, you know, because I want to take me a little nap today, so I said, let me just try it, because you know, sometimes you can be sleepy at night. Let me see if it's actually going to work. I took me a nap probably about 1 o'clock. I woke up, it was going on like 5 o'clock. Like, what time is it now? Whatever time it is now, I'm just really like waking up. Y'all, that stuff Ain't no joke. I am just getting ready to get out all the stuff I need to make my pizza. Got my marinara sauce. Let's go. Chill, B. Chill. I have my pizza crust. Got me some pepperoni, some cheese. I need mozzarella too. Got to get that out. And I also got the mozzarella like sticks too. Italian seasoning. Got some mozzarella. So I'm gonna let y'all see the little TikTok that's giving me the ideas of how I want to cook it.
And ask if they can get a pizza delivered. Well, here's how I deliver a pizza. Roll the crust out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and stretch it out so that the dough is hanging over the edges. Line up some mozzarella cheese sticks around the edges and fold the crust over and seal it tightly. Melt some butter with some minced garlic and some parsley and spread it all over the crust. After that, you're just going to pour on your favorite sauce and spread it all over. After you have the sauce spread out, you're going to top it with a ton of mozzarella cheese. And you can obviously adjust the amount of cheese according to your liking. Then top it with your favorite toppings. The boys wanted Italian sausage and pepperoni.
Tell me
so
they don't
I
look
loaded
good.
it up. And then sprinkle on just a little bit more cheese. Throw that in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Or until the pepperoni's nice and crispy and that cheese is golden brown and bubbly. The boys were so happy and they were literally...
Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. So that's what we are about to make, because I'm hungry. And also gonna make some more hot wings. So she started some mixed garlic. Got me some mixed garlic. And I got some of that liquid light butter my mama got me from the place where she work at. So I'm gonna use that. But let me get everything prepped and I will be right back, you guys. Yeah, I'm really trying to debate if I want to make me like a little circle pizza. Align it with some aluminum foil and do it that way. Or should I just use that long sheet? I think I'm gonna do this because it's gonna give me like the circle, you know. Give me a little TikTok. Let me get my stuff right first. Let's go. Let's go. So now I'm just about to take this aluminum foil and line the pan. Okay, so we got the pan lined. Sorry y'all, change of plans. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna just use that other pan for my wings when I put them in the oven. Okay y'all, so now I'm about to open this and roll it out like she said. Y'all, I'm not doing it wrong, but I'm trying to do it right. So I got me some parchment paper and I need to stretch it out some more. So let me get this right and I'll be back with when I'm putting the stuff on the, you know, the thing. But I still can show y'all because we don't always get it right, you know. And I want to highlight that for y'all because I don't always get it right. And like I said, it's got some parchment paper. So the string cheese and, you know, put it around the edges. So y'all, I'm just stretching it out and wrapping the crust around the mozzarella like sticks and sealing it.
Do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember?
Okay, so I got the foundation. Now I just cut some of that excess parchment paper off and put it on top of the aluminum foil. And now I'm about to like do my garlic and seasoning, you know, dressing.
Us holding hands, each other's eyes we stare. Tell me, do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we first met, girl? Oh, do you remember the time? To paradise.
And when we're making love,
Chelsea, if you're new, and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Tuesday.